Hmm, ayaw umandar. Paalis na sana. Okay, so check po natin guys. Bakit ayaw umandar? Matigas po ang brake. Ayaw gumana ang switch. Okay. So, ibibideo ko po ito. Tingnan po natin. Troubleshoot ko lang po. Then, this is not an old car. So, I don't think malala ang problema nito. I think it's just a minor problem. Okay, so okay. So guys, paandarin ko lang po. Then I'm gonna show it to you, okay? Hold on. Okay, paandarin ko lang. Push the button here to start. Yan po. It doesn't work. Yan lang po ang lumalabas. So I will try to troubleshoot the car. I'm supposed to buy some ingredients for my food. Pero nag-trouble po yung car. So I'm just showing you this guys. So in case na mangyari po ito sa inyo. My car is an automatic Nissan. So hindi po siya umaandar. So let's see how. Okay. So I'm trying to troubleshoot the car. Kasi ayaw po umandar. Alright. Let's see. Okay. So I need light here. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna turn on my phone. The light. Okay. Nako, ang hirap pala dito. Okay. Okay, so I need to see the switches. Hold on. Okay, yeah. Okay. Okay, guys, those. Okay, those are the switches. Hold on. Ang hirap. Okay. Alright, so ayun po. Ayan po, ayan. Ayan po ang. Hold on, hindi ko po maayos. Alright, so the yellow one and the black one. Okay. So alright, so I'm gonna try to reach. Okay, hold on. I-reach ko lang po. Hirap. Nasa ilalim kasi. Okay. So I'm gonna try to okay. So alright. So here, these are the switches. Okay, try to push kasi baka na-disconnect lang po. Try to push it. Okay, so and the other one too. And move it a bit and make sure that it's properly connected. Okay. All right. Whew. Okay, so we'll try to turn on the car. Okay. All right. There you go. Now it works. Holy cow. Now I can buy my food. You see guys? You hear the sound of my engine? It's working. Thanks. Thank God. Well guys, now it's working. It's working properly. Dito sa Canada, kailangan po marunong tayo. Just like what I did now, I fixed my car. Although this car is still under warranty. Pero napaka-hassle po if tatawagan pa natin sila and they will just tow my car. And it takes days to fix it. That's why kailangan po we need to learn. And just like sa aking pagluluto, I'm learning a lot. Hindi po kagaya sa Pilipinas na pag may problema po tayo sa sasakyan, tatawagan lang po natin ang ating kapitbahay na mekaniko. Or pag may problema po tayo sa ating mga gripo, tatawagan lang po natin ang ating kapitbahay na tubero. But here it's different. We need to learn everything. So, you need to be a mechanic, i-cook, tsaka iba pa. So, hindi po easy dito. So, that's why po, I'm proud that I was able to fix my car. One more thing. So, I'm going to run my car outside just to try. And let's see. Ilabas ko lang po sa garage, okay? Alright. So, ilalabas lang po natin. Hold on. Ayan po. Now it's working. So, ayan. Well, this is Canada. Open lang po natin yung gate. So, then, labas lang po tayo. Let's see. Try ko lang po. Kaya dito, you have to know the basic. Kasi pag hindi, what if your car is already beyond the warranty? So you will pay not just $100, but I think it's more than. Parts alone, they will charge you like $100 plus the labor. Labor is very expensive here, guys. So it's not easy. There you go. So I'm outside now. So I'm going back. Okay. So now I can buy my ingredients to do some cooking stuff. Nakapark na po tayo. Everything okay? So wala pong akong nakikitang problem ngayon. So brake is okay. And yeah. So I'm very happy po na na-fix ko yung problema. So just want to let you know na pag in case nangyari po sa inyo, check nyo lang po yon. I think the problem is yung switch niya na-loosen. Dalawa po yon. Yung isa yung the one that I just shown you, yung isang connector, parang connector yun yung orange. I think that one is intended for the start up switch, and the other one, the white one, is for the brake switch. So yung pong brake switch yung ginalaw ko. So what I did is I just push it, then you have to i-move nyo lang, then try to push para yung connector niya, kasi pag na-loosen po yan siya, nadi-disconnect. So kaya hindi gumagana yung brake. So na-notice ko na po yon kasi yung brake niya is very stiff. When you step on the brake, it's very stiff. Mahirap po i-push yung brake. So yun po, pag ganon po yung brake, hindi po siya malambot, in other words. So kaya nagduda na po ako, baka yun po. So yun, tama yung duda ko. So ganun lang po ang gagawin nyo. So yun yung first step. Yun yung ginawa ko, first step. In case na hindi po yung gumana, what you need to do is, kung alam nyo, pwede nyo tanggalin yung switch, and I think kailangan palitan yung switch pag hindi po yung gumana yung first step. Second step is yung palitan na po yung switch. Pero I don't think na aabot sa second step ito kasi hindi naman po ito ganun kaluma yung car, and I think na-loosen lang. So what caused it? I think yung syempre yung car tumatakbo, and di naman yon nagamit naman po natin ito, tumatakbo siya, so kaya medyo nagagalaw yon. Then I think that's the reason why na nalulusin yung mga connector. So you have to check. So yun pong basic. So it's nice to know the basic kung ano po yung mga problema ng cars. Just like this, pag yung brake po ang may problema, pag apakan nyo very stiff, then duda na po tayo na yung switch, kasi hindi po yan gumagana pag yung connection yan is disconnected po yan, hindi po gumagana yan. So that's why although naka-on po siya, nagto-turn on, pero ayaw talaga umandar ng makina. So okay, so ngayon marinig po ninyo yung sounds, napakaganda po. Okay, so i-off na po natin kasi naubos yung gasolina natin. Okay, so there you go. Well, I'm very happy I did it.